हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम आपकी वर्कशीट नंबर 2 क्लास 9वीं विज्ञान इंग्लिश मीडियम जो कि आपको 7 जुलाई को करनी हो करेंगे। आज हम पढ़ेंगे इस वर्कशीट के अंदर सेल के बारे में। सो सेल इज़ व्हाट? इट इज़ known to be present in all living or you can say all living are made up of very minute structure called cells। जितने भी जीव हैं, जितने भी लिविंग बींग्स हैं जो धरती पे हैं, चाहे वो सूक्ष्म जीवी हैं या कोई भी, सभी कोशिकाओं से या सेल से बने होते हैं। These cells are so minute that we cannot see them with our eyes except a few like eggs। जैसे कि बहुत छोटे होते हैं लेकिन कुछ ऐसे बड़े भी हैं, जैसे कि ऑस्ट्रिच इज़ द बिगेस्ट सेल, ऑस्ट्रिच एग, एंड स्मॉलेस्ट सेल इज़ द बैक्टीरिया। व्हाट आर सेल्स? दीज आर द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर कार्य करने की क्षमता और उसको जो ढांचा प्रदान करने, ये दोनों काम कोशिका के होते हैं। जैसे कि एक मकान बनाने के लिए ब्रिक की आवश्यकता होती है, उसी तरह किसी जीव को बनाने के लिए कोशिका की आवश्यकता होती है, सेल्स की आवश्यकता। These cells were first discovered by the Robert Hooke in 1665. He found very tiny structures in thin slices of dead cork under a magnifying device and he named them these structures as cells। उन्होंने इनको नाम दिया सेल। The organisms which are made up of single cell are called unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium, and the organisms which are made up of many cells are called multicellular like human beings, rat, etc. There are also many kinds of cell in multicellular organisms like xylem, phloem in plants, blood and nerve cell in animals. Complex and simple cells you have studied in the class 9th. Now, when we say the different structures, you can see different types of human cells are there, some unicellular organisms are there, and in the cell there are different cell organelles are also present. These help the cell to function different work like nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm and vacuoles. So on the basis of this you have to answer these 4 questions. So these are very simple questions. You can see the answer from this slide also, or you can attempt by yourself also. It is not necessary that you write these answers only. आप यही आंसर लिखें जरूरी नहीं है। पहला है what are cells, where are they found? Cells are the structural and functional unit of life. Living beings are made up of very tiny structure called cells. ये क्यों नहीं आएगा? Second question is what are unicellular and multicellular organisms? Write any 2 difference. तो 1 difference तो आपके दे रखा है इसके अंदर। The organisms which are made up of single cell are called unicellular and those which are made up of many cell are called multicellular. Second में आप लिख सकते हैं that unicellular do not contain any membrane bound organelles. Example में amoeba and paramecium, and multicellular contain membrane bound organelles like rat and man. Then the third is the name the biggest cell in the world. Is it visible? Ostrich egg. Yes, it is visible. And who discovered cell and when? Cell were first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. So these are very 4 simple questions. Hope you understand the worksheet very well. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you.